Hey everyone, Nicole here with CellBotics. Today I want to give a small tip about training. I get calls every day looking for employees, from small to medium to very large corporations. And I will say this, we are very fortunate to have the process we do in-house and are able to bring on, grow, and retain amazing dedicated staff. So how do we do that, right? How do we do that? So being a training center, we pull from a group of people who are highly motivated in their own personal success. And you may think that hiring someone that wants to open their own business one day is counterintuitive to your company's growth. Yes, you may not be able to retain them for life because of their self-employment goals, but you will retain them for a while. And you may retain them for life if you put enough into them. These days, employees want to know what's for them too. It's not just all about the company. It should be sort of an equal give or take, okay? So yes, you're paying them to be there, but really, are you giving them a safe space to also improve their self? So that's my tip to you today. Really evaluate your training and onboarding and the plan you have for your staff. Do you even have anything like that? Do you have something where when someone is hired, there is a career path? Is there support in their goals? Do they have a safe space to tell you what their goals are? And what do you do with that? That's how you retain amazing staff, is being as much invested in them as you want them invested in you, okay? So for example, one thing that we do here is we do mentorship to our staff. So we know they want to own a business, and we mentor them through that process. You could do the same thing, be it one month calls or twice a month group mentoring over a video chat. It depends on your size, depends on what you can give, right? And then say they come to you and they say, you know what, my business, I'm launching it, and I'm gonna really put some time into that. I need to cut my hours back. What we do is we just work with them, and we say, okay, well, how about this? We still need you, we like you, we want to keep you on. How can we work around this, right? So your business, you're doing 4 hours a day. So how about we work you the other 4 in the evening or in the morning, or because we do have 2 different shifts here at CellBotics just to handle our repairs. So that's how we retain staff and grow.